How to unblock someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can unblock someone on Instagram. So how do you do so? If you previously blocked someone on Instagram and you want to unblock them, the easiest way to do this is by changing or unblocking them through your Instagram settings. And how do you do so? Move to the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon, and then you'll be taken to your profile page. On this page, just scroll up a little, and then by the top right corner, some icons will be displayed. Amongst this option or these icons, ensure you click on the three horizontal lines. And then on your settings and activities page, the next step is to scroll up until you can see the option or the tab who can see your account. And so under it you can see options like account privacy, close friends, cross posting, blocked. Okay, so just go ahead and click on blocked, and then you'll be taken to your blocked list. You'll see all of the blocked accounts here. You'll see everything here. So to unblock someone, just move to the right side next to the account. You'll see the option unblock. So just select it, and then you'll be asked if you're sure that you'd like to unblock this person. Click confirm, and then just like that, you'll be able to unblock the user. For example, I'm going to block someone now to show you a vivid explanation. So after blocking this person, you can see a prompt. Then I would go back to my profile, and then on my profiles page, click on the three horizontal lines, scroll down, click on blocked, and then you can see the blocked accounts here. So to unblock, just select unblock, and select unblock, and then just like that, the person would be unblocked. So this is how you can unblock someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching and have a good day.